Good afternoon. I get this question asked to me very frequently. A customer is looking for a permeable paver, and they would say, I would like to have a permeable paver. The paver itself is not permeable. It's something that you really need to understand when selling it. It's the system. And let me show you what I mean by that. Traditional pavers have spacer bars filling the joints in with polymeric sand. When filling these joints, you want to make sure you're not above this chamfer line here. This is a traditional paver. Permeable pavers have larger lugs, wider joints that is filled with clean stone, allowing rainwater to flow through the system and into the environment. So I hope this helps you the next time you're selling permeable pavers or traditional pavers to your customer.